So today we're checking out the synthetic market because just as we said earlier, we said we won't be checking out the Forex market, which is the crypto, the what's it called, the BTC USD, XAU USD, and pound dollar for now until after FP, which is going to be dropping on Friday. So our first trade on BTC USD on gold and of course on pound dollar is going to be on NFP, and after that we wait till Monday. So that said, if you're focusing on synthetic, and of course if you're on synthetic, these are available 247, no fundamentals required, just pure technicals. And if your technicals are okay, then you're good to go. If that's interesting, if you're not familiar with these synthetic markets, they're actually available worldwide. You can just check the description. I will drop a link in the description for you to register with them. And of course, using that link in the description, it gives you automatic access to all my trades. And of course, you can choose to copy any of them or to copy them. Please take note when you're copying my trades, take note of my lot size so you don't end up using same lot size with me. And of course, the little door down, you'll blow your account, they start complaining. So please, you can always reduce your lot size to make sure you do what you risk more than what you can afford to lose. Please and please. These are happening over and over again. People just enter into copying it without checking out the lot size. Imagine entering a trade with maybe 5 lot size or 10 or even 20 lot, depending on the synthetic market. But most of them are actually very, very volatile. So please and please do well to check out the lot size before you place your trade. Okay, that's it. Let's go straight to the date analysis, and of course, we're marking out the recent high and the recent low. So here is the that actually led to this overall low we are seeing, or this current bearish movements the market is correct for me. Then the low that currently just got broken is this right here, and then the low that actually led to this general highs we are seeing right now is this around this level, where the market is likely to come back to where the market is likely to come back to retest. So now what are we seeing that's already moved far below our entry? So let's go to 15 minutes chart. Let's see if we can see entry time frame or entering signal. But of course I doubt, because from what you can see the momentum is far below our entry levels, which is going to be around this level. So for this, you just have to wait to see what the market is likely to do. So just let PainX 400 1. So if we do nothing, we keep finger crossed and see what the market has to do for the rest of the day. So that's it. We're going to GainX 400, which is the younger brother of Pain. No pain, no gain. So since we see anything on what's it called on Pain, let's check on Gain if we can see. And I think they're almost similar, but then let's just see what is going on the Gain. Wow! Someone say wow. Okay, from what you can see around, you can see in the market that it gives us our recent low, which led to this current high. Then the internal structure that just got broken, which is get respect. Oh shit! So respecting this level 2, then you can see it's already moved. It's almost similar to that of our PainX 400. So let's see the 15-minute chart. You can see trade opportunities, of which already we are seeing this late. But it's not really bad. See that almost is similar. So that means you can't see the entry, because entry this level, this is where the stop loss is going to be, which might not be giving you a good risk to show. So just do what I said, you'll be keeping your fingers crossed and see what the market really will do within the rest of the day. We can see probably a pullback around this level, then we can think of going long on that. Otherwise, we just let it in one, except we see another change of structure that we can actually keep you alerted with my last videos. And of course, if you're not to my last video, I actually drop that in cases like this where we don't see opportunities, then maybe within the day, if the market give us something nice, I'll drop an alert or a video to let you know that this is happening. You go check out your chart. And of course, as a disclaimer, this is not me telling you what to do, just me sharing my own analysis with you. You can compare your own analysis before you go in with your trade. And please always remember, don't risk more than you can afford to lose. No matter how perfect the analysis and the chart looks, it might still go the other way. So that's it for Gain. We'll be going to flip X1. So we're going to flip X1. All right. So let me take this. So this flip X1, of course, we'll be going to H4. Wow. Someone say wow. I think this chart sometimes they can look very scary. They can actually look very scary, but then we have to simplify it to our own base structure, and that's why I just love this marking out level. So you just know where you're waiting for the market. So now the market is currently testing this level. Now let's see if we can see trade opportunity of going long back to this other area here. So let's go to 15 minutes. So let's see if we can see trade opportunities. Okay, let me zoom this a little. Okay, so the market getting to this level, and now remember, if you're placing trade on this, our stop loss definitely is going to be below this zone. This way our stop loss is going to be. So that means our take profit, where is it going to be? Putting take profit here, and of course this is going to be the first TP1 before TP2. This is the general take profit. So look, focus on the TP1. I don't really think this will be a nice opportunity. So please just let this run through, and remember, I'll definitely keep you informed if we see something nice as the day goes by. Otherwise, please let this run. Don't chase the market. Let this run, because the stop loss is definitely wide, so you might not be able to risk such stop loss, and of course with this minor take profits. So just keep your fingers crossed. I'll be dropping alerts also on this to let you know which trade I'll be taking if it comes to my entering levels. Alright, that said, I'm going to break 600. So let's go to break 600. Sorry please. So right now on break 600, and remember we have other ones, other assets which you can take. If you're not confused, if you're not okay with my own trade, you can actually choose any of the other assets you feel you're okay with. You mustn't take my own trades, and don't forget, please never risk more than you can afford to lose. No matter how easy it looks, no matter how perfect it looks, anything can go wrong, anything can go right. So marking out the low first, low, then high leading to overall low, and of course you can see these internal structures, which is just like I call them noise. So the best opportunity of looking for trade on our break 400, so break 600 is going to be waiting for a bearish move around this level, and then that's where you can think of going short on it. So this is the only thing I'm looking out for on our break 600. So I just wait for the market to break below this, since I'm already seeing a minor bearish movement around there on the 4H. So I wait for the market to break below the testing this for me to go short. So that's the final one for today, which is going to be the FxVol 20. FxVol. Okay, here it is. Here it is. So let's go straight for the H4 first. Okay, we're already on the H4. Yes, already on the H4. So just mark out the recent levels. Low leading to the recent high we are seeing right now. The high we have to respect next. And of course, internal high, which is internal structure. So this is pretty easy and simple looking at it. You can just, since we're already having a bullish trend right here, you can see this moving here, getting back. Let's say move there, got back, move there, got back. So you want a movement here. Now, at that same level, getting back. So we want to see a move above this, a testing this for to go next to this level. So that's what we'll be looking at. So just need the market to move above this internal structure, we're testing that for us to go to the next level, which is going to be our next target, or our TP1. So overall time, they are still keeping fingers crossed, and don't forget dropping alerts to let you know which trade I'll be taking and which will be existing. So that said, I wish everyone a profitable day trade, and don't forget, don't risk more than you can afford to lose. Anything can happen. But please do your personal analysis and compare with what I've done before you go in your trade. And please, if you want to copy my trade, there's a link in the description. Just set an account with them. Automatically gives you access to my algorithm where you can see my trades, the one I take. And just like I said earlier, you can copy any of them you want to copy. But please, when copying, ensure you change the lot size to the lot size that suits you before you enter the trade. That said, I wish everyone a profitable day trade ahead. Please stay safe, and of course, don't risk more than you can afford to lose. See you next time on the next alert video.